Meghalaya State Commission for Women menta ka singi kala penlong ya ka jing pen sothu pa ba ya ka jing shala ben ki kan thai ta penlong ya ka ne ka program ban pen pa bat kan mau ya ka jing e ba ki kan thai ki kan du ha ka ni singi ki mamta kham tam e ka jing sha ben ben ki ha ki kom ba fair ha ka ni singi le yo jing kran ka kong Joy Grace im ka legal member jong ka Meghalaya State Commission Ketika program ka bakhat du sngi bat das tang ya kana do ka ar santarik unai wing ketika sngi rakhe ya ka sngi ban pendu jai ya ka chal ben ki kan thai lani kata ka International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women but anpun kot pat ya ka hakash poterik ketika World Human Rights Day.
Days of Activism Against Gender-Based Violence is actually a global campaign where for 16 days we talk and we bring awareness about issues that women are facing in different communities. It is usually in these days we take the time to remember how far women have come from getting just their rights to vote and now being able to not only vote but get employment, and this is all the work of the women movements that have come before us. So these 16 days are to highlight the struggles women have faced, where we have reached now, but also at the same time we can see that there are a number of crimes against women, violence against women in the society that are coming to light now. So in these 16 days we also bring out about issues that women are facing that usually are not being reported, what are the reporting mechanisms available, and what are the rights and entitlements of women. So this campaign is to highlight these two very important aspects in our everyday life. Now, based on the data, the statistics, and also the cases that we are receiving from the Women's Commission, we are seeing that there is a very high rise in cases of domestic violence, and that can also be because a lot of women now are reporting. More Minshua, maybe before women would not talk about this because we always said it was a private family affair. But now women are starting to report cases of domestic violence both in the urban areas and in the rural areas as well. Another crime that we are seeing is on the rise is sexual harassment of women at workplace. Workplaces also should be safe, enabling spaces where women can achieve their full potential. But we see that because of the violence and the abuse that they are facing in their workspaces, it leads to a number of women either quitting their jobs or feeling demotivated, and that is what is also affecting the women workforce rate. So we are trying from the Women's Commission side to combat, especially here in Meghalaya, these two crimes that are on the rise. For example, this also is this is one of the awareness programs that we are holding. But apart from that, the Commission, every month we hold awareness programs either with the Dorbaj Nongs, with the different departments of the government. We try to reach those who are most marginalized, people who might not have access, to good internet connection, that they will be able to read about their rights and entitlements. So we go with the information and we give it to them.